Hello everyone. If you are new, welcome to Shelter Mode, the premier YouTube channel for shipping container living. For the regulars, thank you for your support. In this video, we bring to you the lily pad cozy container home in Ohio, United States. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container rental. Welcome back. If you like our content and want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button below. If you have a container project or a container rental you would like us to feature on our channel, kindly get in touch by posting in the comment section below. Or you can contact us on our website sheltermode.com. Without further ado, let's get started. The lily pad container home is nestled on 13 acres of woods just 2 miles from the entrance of Old Man's Cave in Logan, Ohio. This vacation house is a shipping container in a perfect destination for a complete relaxation and privacy, and has been designed with great attention to detail. It includes modern high-end appliances, smart home features, and a modern charm. This amazing home is in a 40-foot shipping container that has been transformed into a spacious and sociable living space to call home. A covered outdoor space running the entire length of the shipping container is used to double up the living space by creating an amazing outdoor living space to complement the living functions of the cabin. The home features a modern and well-equipped interior space situated in a tranquil and private setting. The interior design assumes a linear arrangement where all the indoor functions lines part of the rear wall, creating enough room for open-plan living and unobstructed movement. The interior space is split between a bedroom and a bathroom on one end, the living room with a large sofa and a small dining area in the middle, and an L-shaped, well-equipped kitchen with overhead and under-the-counter storage on the opposite end of the container. The expansive open-plan living room features a cozy lounge space with a comfy couch, a custom coffee table made from a butcher block timber, a wall-mounted TV, and a beautiful floor mat to define the lounge area. The space has a full-view remote-controlled garage glass door that opens wide to the great outdoors. The entire home opens up to become a livable indoor-outdoor space. With brand-new solid hardwood floors and big glass windows, the home has been remodeled to embrace both comfort and elegance. The living room enjoys plenty of natural sunlight in a predominantly white painted interior, including white cabinetry in the kitchen. The colored cozy sofa, selected pieces of artwork and custom furniture, plus house accessories add a pop of color to the living spaces. The living potted plants set a welcoming tone in the living room and the bathroom. The living space has a small, lovely round table for dining and can also be used as a workspace depending on the need. The living space is fitted with a stylish gas fireplace, which is a key amenity to keep the house warm during chillier months. The L-shaped kitchen is a bright, compact space fully fitted with essential kitchen appliances to cook and feel at home. The space is equipped with sleek under-the-counter cabinets, open-air kitchen shelves, and gorgeous countertops, making this tiny house a flawless dwelling unit. A bando leads to the bathroom space, fitted with a stylish vanity top with lots of storage and towel shelves, plus a toilet. There is a big wall-mounted mirror to create a spacious bathroom. In addition, there is a corner shower box with a rainfall shower head to make a complete bathroom. A spacious bedroom occupies one end of the shipping container. The spacious bedroom has an ample amount of cushions and linen on the cozy queen-sized bed, illuminated by natural light from the big glass window that offers breathtaking views to wake up to every morning. Even though the bedroom is small, it feels welcoming and spacious thanks to the minimalist interiors, the white painted walls and ceiling, plus the big glass window which fills the space awash with natural light, creating that feel of openness and spaciousness, helping to eliminate the confinement feel that comes with shipping containers. The entire elevation facing the deck is fitted with a large motorized glass garage door which opens fully up to the living room, the kitchen, and the bed spaces to a full patio space, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. The outdoor living space is an amazing addition to this shipping container that not only makes it functional but also practical. It basically doubles up the amount of living space by creating an additional outdoor living space which helps to complement the rather limited indoor living space inside the shipping container. From outside, there is no secret this is a shipping container cabin. The grooves of the raw shipping containers are painted black and are visible throughout the exterior to bring out the industrial language of the design. The external corrugated metal walls are painted black to help the building recede into the landscape, while multiple floor-to-ceiling windows and glazed doors create a seamless connection between the interiors and the outdoors. The building follows the natural contours of the forested site by placing the building on a higher ground from the access. The exterior is nicely landscaped into its forest setting in a lush bed of ferns and other durable shrubs. Hard landscaping with a concrete ramp, which can also accommodate a prefabricated steel staircase, leads to a large outdoor space forming the entrance to the cabin. The outside living space is fully covered with a large vaulted ceiling. The open patio space has a large ceiling fan to help cool up the space during hot weather. It is also fitted with strip lights for a cozy ambient space on a beautiful night out. The patio is fitted with stylish outdoor sitting chairs as well as a twin side swing bed, comfortable for afternoon naps or just to enjoy the scenery on a romantic holiday. There's also a cozy fire pit to snuggle up next to at night as you enjoy looking at the stars. In addition, there's enough room for outdoor sitting, romantic lounging, outdoor dining, and a barbecue jiko for intimate dinner parties. In addition, there is a hot tub on one end of the deck to soak away any stress and get you into a holiday mode. You can enjoy a sip of wine, read a book, or just wish away a warm evening as you soak inside the bathtub. This beautiful home is great for a weekend getaway and is listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $279 per night. Feel free to check it out in the description below. We love the minimalist artistic interior of this guest retreat, and it is our most outstanding feature of this cabin. Which part of this guest house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, as usual, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. Remember to subscribe to this and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.